Thank you for joining us on this edition of the show. Blockchain has been touted as a transparent platform of the future. My guest today discusses why Nigeria should embrace that technology. Today's Tech Tips is on how to detect a fake Facebook account. There's so much lined up for you, but first, some tech news and updates. This is Tech Trend, and I'm Chukwemeka Agbata.
Ever bothered by old visitors' notebooks lying around? Or complaints by visitors and clients about poor treatment or inadequate attention? A group of young individuals are providing a cloud-based solution that should improve productivity, security, and simplify planning in customer and visitor management. The platform is called Identity and has 3 products: ID Visit, ID Queue, and Customer Survey.
Identity was created to be a visitor management solution to aid businesses in handling their visitors, gather the data, help them provide them with actionable data on what's going on, improve security to some extent by capturing biometrics such as facial features and giving that biometric to the intended visitor to allow them decide if this person says is this person and they really are. Identity grew further than just visitor management. It has gone into various fields, from biometric attendance system for staff to aid in eliminating ghost workers to the ID queue, identity queue, which is basically a queue management system. Any business that is serving customers at a particular point will be able to use identity to improve the service that they are giving and to also get feedback from their customers to generally help them be better.
ID Visit, also known as Visitor Management, works like a receptionist. The visitors interact with a tablet or touchscreen desktop to sign in or sign out or book appointments, which can also be done via the company's website or identities. The staff to be seen is notified via email and text message with the visitor's details, including an image. He or she will be given an option to accept or reject the visit request through a note or a direct call to the reception. After a 2-hour timeline, a visitor check is conducted automatically to alert the staff or visitors who exited the building without signing out. Data is stored in the cloud for company report purposes and can be accessed from any location.
The customer demand here is in 2 phases. That is what our direct customers are demanding, that is the B2B, the businesses we are providing the service to, and then their own customers. Their customers demand for a short engagement. They don't want long engagement processes, in the sense that you will notice that when someone wants to join a queue at a particular location, the person only has to choose what he wants to do. The person doesn't want to put his name, his phone number, and all of that. So customers don't want to waste time. They just want to get in, and we have to put that into our own processes. Customers want a lot of privacy, so you will notice that some data were not exposed at some point. When I want to choose who I want to see at an organization, I would only see your name. I cannot see your details. So that privacy is very much key to customers. And for the direct customers, our B2B players, they want ease of service. They want these reports to drop on their email at a specific time. They don't even want to go and view the data. They want this. So ease of service is key for them. If they can have that ease of service, whatever you would do to make this service easier for them, that's what they want.
With IDQ, customers can join a queue from their homes and also interact with a tablet device at the merchant's office. Then they are alerted via a voice assistant and TV monitor when it's their turn to be attended to.
Customer number 1 with service code 2783889. Proceed to marketing terminal Q1.
Individuals can also rate the system immediately based on the service rendered or their general experience.
Creating the app was quite tedious because we initially had a goal set in mind. We had a set of features I wanted to do, but as usual, the end user, that's the customers, are the ones that will define what the app should actually be doing for them to solve their problems. So listening to those and then adjusting the application along the line to suit those needs, which were ever changing, that was an issue. Then the paramount issue that I faced, as with anything that has to do with technology in this country, is power. Electricity was a major problem.
From the time we started, we're in different states, the three of us, I, Goke, our CTO, and Sahid, our Chief Growth Officer, who is also a developer. We're probably in 3 different states at each time, and we collaborated using our WhatsApp. We started with Trello, then we moved to Slack, and then we went back to WhatsApp now. So essentially we were working remotely from different locations, doing our bits to get these things done. I wouldn't say it was a direct challenge getting a working space because we didn't need it at the time. This was early stage. So this was at the time where we had to contribute our different efforts from different locations to make this happen. But going forward now, we're moving into our own space.
And customer survey helps the organization involved know if the users are satisfied with the service. They analyze the responses to check if changes need to be made in their operations. Identity helps eliminate multiple visitors' books that lie around in different offices, gives the visitors and customers a feeling of importance, and allows receptionists and attendants to focus on other core duties.